because on all these parameters, land allotment, construction license, tax compliance, environment, it is very, very difficult. I have gone through that. I have completed almost, I joined in 75 as a trader. Today, as you said, I am successful businessman, but it's not that it was a cakewalk. Cake business, by the way, is not a cakewalk. And I have seen my failures, and in all these parameters, it is very, very difficult to do business in Goa. When you ask me specific questions, I will tell you specifically
so you
how it is
generally
difficult.
feel that Goa is not a very investor-friendly place to
No,
begin
it is
with.
not. It is not. It is.
Whether it is levying of taxes, whether it is levying of various type of restrictions, difficulties in getting your permissions, licenses, and mind you, unfortunately, this is applicable only to the people who are compliant. Ease of doing business is Goa, a strict no-no. I hope better sense prevails sooner than later.
For example, to be an RTI activist is the best business. What investment does it need? To put a pawn shop, you need about 80 licenses. So-called, I personally do not believe in Goan, non-Goan or Indian. Every citizen of India has got a right to business in any part of this country, so long as he is following all the laws of the land, that is of the Indian Constitution as well as the local state government. Going through after investing hundreds of crores, you being called illegal by some irresponsible people and taken to the court every second day.
So where is the question of finding a perfect and a utopian market? Imperfections are there. As a businessman, take a look at it. If you feel you can manage these imperfections, you invest. If you feel you cannot manage these imperfections, which the four major I have placed before you, you don't invest.
I just was amazed as to how many type of licenses that you require to start a small restaurant. That itself will answer a question about what is the ease of doing business in Goa. To start with, you require clearance from Sewerage Department, Health Department, I don't know, somehow my mobile is, oh yeah, there it is. Sewerage Department, Health Department, Fire and Emergency Services, Food Safety from the Directorate of Food and Drugs, a shops and establishment license from the municipality or the panchayat, labor laws compliance, house tax, trade charges, signboard charges, sanitation charges, all this to start a small cafe. Or
Of mine was perplexed when I put him a question. I said, sir, I want to take out 5 minerals and I don't want to dump anything because it's all valuable. So he asked his officers. He said, sir, this gentleman wants to take out 5 minerals. Why are you blocking him? No, that is not the law.
Because you are not able to create employment to the people, you are giving doles.